How to set up a TikTok creator account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can set up a TikTok creator account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to set up a TikTok creator account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok application, you want to just come to the profile tab from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap the profile tab from the bottom right hand side of the screen, what you want to do is just tap the three lines icon from the top right and then just go to settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, at the very top you will find an option where it says account, so you want to make sure to just tap the account option. Now in my case I'm already on a creator account, but if you're on a personal or business account, you'll instead find the option called switch to creator account here. In my case it is written business because I'm already on creator account, but if you are not, then you'll be able to find the option called switch to business creator account, and then you should be able to follow the on-screen prompts in order to successfully set up your creator account. This way you can set up a TikTok creator account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.